Pool chemical feeder malfunctioning? Here's how to fix it fast and keep your water crystal clear. So, first off, check if the feeder is clogged with gunk or old chemicals. That's usually the main issue. You want to turn off the pool pump before you mess with the feeder, safety first, you know? Then, open up the feeder and clean out any crusty buildup with some warm water and a soft brush. If the feeder parts look worn or cracked, it's time to swap them out because broken parts won't feed chemicals right. Also, make sure you're using the correct type of chemicals for your feeder. Some feeders only work with tablets, not liquid stuff. Keep an eye on the flow rate and settings so it's not pushing out too much or too little chlorine. If the feeder still acts up after cleaning and tweaking, it might be time to replace the whole unit. Lastly, regularly check your pool water's pH and chlorine levels so you know your feeder is actually doing its job. One of the biggest mistakes with pool chemical feeders is ignoring buildup, which can totally block the feeder and stop chemicals from circulating. Just clean it regularly to avoid that. Another common problem is using the wrong chemical form, like trying to shove liquid in a tablet feeder. Always match your chemicals to your feeder type. The third issue is not checking the flow rate settings, causing either too much chlorine that burns your skin or too little that lets algae grow. Just double check your settings every time you maintain it. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get your pool back in shape fast. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work by connecting with people who really need their skills without all the hassle.